In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit Skrill USD inside of BlackBull Markets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to blackbull.com. From here, it should bring something like this once you're inside of your account or the dashboard. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu where it says My Wallet over here and then scroll down until you see the wallet page. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll see the USD over here. And if you don't have USD, maybe you only have Euro or British Pounds, then from here you'll need to click New Wallet and then add USD down here and then change the currency from whatever it is to USD and click Submit. From here, it should bring something like this again. And here you'll need to click Add Funds. And from here, you'll need to scroll down until you see Skrill Money Bookers down here. As you can see, it is 24/7 instant and has a 0% fee. From here, you'll need to click Select, and then you'll need to select how much you want to deposit into your BlackBull account and click Confirm. Once you're in here, you'll see the payment details, and then you'll just need to click Submit, and then a new page from Skrill will open up where you need to confirm the payment and either scan this QR code or you can do it in your browser by clicking here. Once you've done that, you'll go back to BlackBull again, and then you'll see inside of your wallet that the currency has been updated to that specific amount that you have deposited. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!